What's up, YouTube? So the part I was telling y'all about came in Sunday. Today is Tuesday, and the part's about to go on today. So this is the part. I know y'all wonder like, what is that? I'm gonna take it out and show y'all what it is. I actually don't know how many Malibus got this on. This is called I guess, rear window roof spoiler. Yeah. So it goes above my rear window, and it's a spoiler. It's kind of flimsy because I think it's like universal, whatever you want to say, but it's flimsy. So if I'm guessing it fits on any window, but this I typed in roof spoiler, rear window on eBay, since everybody asks where I get stuff from, on eBay, and 2015 Malibu. So, and this is what I got. I paid like, I want to say like $38. I try to get y'all the price so y'all know when y'all go look for stuff. Pay like $38 for this. So I don't know if I'm like the first person with it. I'm pretty sure I'm not on YouTube, but y'all gonna see it go on my Malibu. So if I ain't already, subscribe to the channel. Drop a like down below and comment down below what y'all think. But let's get into the video. Alright, so we're finna follow the instructions. Alright, so step 1, clean surface. Step 2, I guess place it. And then step 3, peel the 3M out the back. And then step 4, tape it down with tape. They said it should be installed in 70, 80 degree weather. I think it's like 83. So, oh well. Test fit spoiler before install. That's what we're gonna do. I just need some tape. And I'm about to step on my car. Not that bad. And I just about to do it like this. One time, that's all it's gonna take for me. Hopefully. If not, I just go buy more 3M tape and do it again. work there, buddy. Yo. It's hot, yeah. Whew, I'm already busting a sweat. Ain't did nothing. I tell you, I only do things once sometimes. With my spoiler, I did that like 3 times. Y'all just didn't see that. I thought I had Nike slides on. Alright, so I'm done. But I'm about to let y'all see how it looks up close. So y'all would know I did not go over the back window. I'll just follow the line of the back window where it starts at. It's like a little hang right there, as you can see. Let me show you the other side. The other side is the exact same. Where it's right there. The exact little hang. I probably pull this up a little bit. So y'all can see it's not all the way down yet. Yeah. Just a tad. Like that. Just like that. But I followed it all the way down. Just like that. So now I have 2 spoilers. As y'all can see, it's gloss black. Gloss black, just like our red spoiler. I told y'all I'm gonna add even more gloss black stuff. I'm still planning on doing the trimming gloss black. I'm probably gonna paint it, or either paint it myself or get somebody in my city to paint it. And I might paint these, or I might order them. Just thinking right now. I don't know for sure if I'm painting myself. I can paint, but sometimes I just rather order stuff. But that's it for this until I order something else or I do something else.